What can LinkedIn do for your business? Okay, so it is obvious by now that LinkedIn represents a major shift in what the social media revolution offered to the public, because it showed people that it was completely possible to create a social marketing platform that could be as user-friendly as it was serious. Not only because it got away with the trivial nature of every other social media platform and allowed people to use their social profiles as online resumes for free, because it also allowed companies to establish an online presence that didn't have anything to do with entertaining their social audience. And you can thank this to the fact that perhaps inadvertently, LinkedIn slowly became a sort of data-rich environment, a place containing the type of information about the modern job market that companies would have paid millions just to peek at. And that is perhaps why in 2016, Microsoft paid almost $27 billion for it. What does it say about its potential to drive business in? Let us provide you a few reasons why we think that your business will benefit from being on LinkedIn. You can use LinkedIn to hire the best talent on the net. LinkedIn is a great place for job seekers to find the dream job precisely because it is also a great place for businesses and companies of all sizes to attract the best talent and to recruit the best employees from the world's largest talent pool. Businesses can access recruiting tools that will allow them to post jobs to target the right candidates for the job offered, to find and source active as well as passive talent, and to seize the collection of skills offered by these talents to further build their brands. You can use LinkedIn as a marketing platform. And best of all, as a marketing platform to reach the largest professional audience in the world. You can easily reach the best fit for your business so you can further develop your brand, increase your visibility, and make new business connections possible. Marketing options on LinkedIn are pretty varied, and they include powerful promotional tools such as sponsored content that can reach people on any device, dynamic ads to market to professionals on the go, and display ads for those doing their job at the office, among others. You can use LinkedIn to sell. LinkedIn can increase your commercial potential by providing you with a platform that is designed to drive social selling efforts with real-time sales intelligence. And what this means is that LinkedIn is backing an entire platform with non-intrusive sales solutions. You can use LinkedIn as a learning platform. LinkedIn is a professionally oriented platform, which makes education its second nature. As such, you can use LinkedIn to keep your team's skill set up to date with current educational and developmental trends. The workplace learning tools offered by LinkedIn will help your team to develop two of the most valued skills in the current and future industries, people management and soft skills, which include creativity and communication. LinkedIn learning tools will also help your company to close the gap between soft and technical skills, which will help your company to become a business of the future. With over 10,000 online training and development courses available, LinkedIn is the perfect platform for ongoing professional development. What else can your business benefit from by being on LinkedIn? You can create shareable content that can help you connect with a wide professional audience. You can create content with the potential to add value to people's professional lives, which can easily create engagement and foster a following for your company on the platform. LinkedIn offers you multiple ways to feed information to its members by allowing you to post content using slide shares for business presentations, blog posts, infographics, webinars, podcasts, and videos. You will just have to choose which ones are the best fit for your audience. LinkedIn will not hinder your efforts to provide your audience with relevant content, and you will be able to post as many times as your content allows you to. In fact, LinkedIn encourages businesses to release quality content as much as possible. You can use your company profile to drive more sales for products and services that your company develops. You will just have to tell your potential customers about their benefits. You can use your business profile to differentiate yourself from your competition. Sharing news and information about your company culture on a regular basis can easily help you to establish a company persona. Your employees can use their LinkedIn profiles to enhance your company's visibility, as engaged and satisfied employees are a great way to communicate healthy social proof. Sales solutions. LinkedIn is a place where anything that is business related comes and goes, and sales are no different. Because in the end, what really matters is to use LinkedIn as a platform to close connections, to close deals, to close a hiring interview, or to close sales. That is why LinkedIn has made a great, significant effort into creating a sales solution for its more business-oriented users, one which will allow them to get started in the world of social selling through a series of powerful ways to engage with potential buyers on the platform. But before looking at the product offered as LinkedIn sales solution, the following questions are worth answering. What is social selling, and why is it important to integrate into your marketing plan? Social selling is the act of using social media to drive sales by interacting directly with prospects on their preferred communication channel, which in our case is LinkedIn. And social marketing is important because it allows salespeople to drive 45% more business opportunities. It makes them 51% more likely to reach your sales quota, and it also makes them 78% more successful than sellers that do not use social media. So what is LinkedIn Sales Solutions then? Allow us to introduce you to LinkedIn's Sales Navigator, a tool which will enable you to connect with LinkedIn-based buyers and sellers in a whole new way. Finding the right people whom to offer your products or services to can be a hit or miss situation in most cases, but the LinkedIn Sales Navigator will allow you to target the right buyers and companies thanks to a sophisticated algorithm that will give you lead recommendations that are tailor-made for your needs. The Sales Navigator tool will also give you the ability to understand what your buyers value the most through sales insights that aim to leverage more effective selling strategies. In this respect, the Sales Navigator has the best tools to help you stay informed about your contacts and accounts, as that is the only way to transform cold calling into a warm, relevant conversation. Because LinkedIn understands that creating successful sales campaigns is all about building great relationships with your clients, the Sales Navigator will also allow you to engage existing and potential customers with a personalized outreach approach. This is easy to achieve because the Sales Navigator enables you to establish trust even before starting your initial conversation. In short, it is designed to understand your buyer's intent and follow up on it effectively. The Sales Navigator comes in 3 flavors, and finding the one that is right for you depends on the size of your business operation and the number of features that you would need to run them properly. These 3 Sales Navigator plans are the Professional, Team, and Enterprise suites. Features included on each plan include from 20 to 50 promoted emails per month, extended LinkedIn network access, advanced sales-specific search tools, automated lead and account recommendations, access to a sales-focused learning center, and a dedicated mobile app. Features that are only available to Professional and Enterprise Sales Navigator users include customer relationship management widgets and synchronization, out-of-network unlocks, usage reporting, volume-based and multi-year discounts, invoicing, and a dedicated client relationship manager. You can start using the Professional Sales Navigator suite with a free trial, so you can get a test drive of what you will be able to achieve with it, and you'll need to request a demo once you are ready to advance in your social selling efforts. So get ready to take your sales force to the next level. Shocking LinkedIn marketing facts to consider. We live in a world that is becoming more and more interconnected with each passing day. New technologies and ways to implement it are now the norm, and they're changing people's lives in a way that was simply unthinkable of in previous years. One of those technologies is social media, which allow people from all around the globe to connect on a very personal basis, regardless of distance. And the best part is that the implementation of social media is everyday life is pretty much multidimensional. And you can thank this to the fact that social media was not monopolized by neither of the social networking companies in the market, because each one of them plays on a different field, and each one offers its users a different set of features. But the good news for marketers and company owners like you and us is that each platform is designed to drive business quite efficiently, which is more practical when you consider that LinkedIn is a business-oriented platform. Here are some LinkedIn marketing facts to start your day. A whopping 70% of LinkedIn users are from outside the U.S. You wouldn't think that this number could be relevant until you consider that such a large number of demographics from outside the United States can allow you to reach a global-minded international audience that can help you to understand overseas markets. 41% of millionaires from around the world use LinkedIn, which means that the next investor to inject some financial aid to your business can be just around the corner. 79% of business-to-business marketers consider that social media, especially LinkedIn, is an effective marketing channel for any type of business. In fact, nowadays 80% of business-to-business leads are generated on LinkedIn. 43% of marketers have said that they've sourced customers from LinkedIn, which is a really big number when you take into account that LinkedIn is mostly geared towards employers and job seekers. A cool 49% of the traffic going to company websites comes from LinkedIn, which is a significant portion considering how many social networks are sharing the market with LinkedIn. This also means that 49% of traffic going to company websites is already qualified for doing business. 94% of business-to-business marketers use LinkedIn to distribute content, and on average, 10 pieces of that content are consumed by users before they make a purchasing decision, which means that your content has to be relevant enough as to break the 10-piece mark. 39% of LinkedIn users pay for a premium subscription, which means that almost 40% of users are willing to pay for exclusive content and connections. Men are statistically more likely to use LinkedIn than women, with 32% of LinkedIn members being men against 21% of female members, which means that you should be wise when designing your marketing campaigns. This fact should come as a no-brainer, but it bears relevance nonetheless, and it is worthy of being shared. While social networks such as Facebook and Twitter are mostly used to share topics like sports and celebrity news, LinkedIn is strictly used to share two specific types of news: business and professional news. What does this mean for your business? That while you can easily attract traffic by sharing entertaining news on other social networks, there's simply no point in sharing similar news on LinkedIn. Instead, your marketing has to focus on content that is relevant to industries and business activities. Only 23% of LinkedIn members use the site on a daily basis, with over 50% of members using it on a weekly basis, sometimes less. This might be because of the professionally focused, busy nature of most LinkedIn users. But regardless of the cause, you have to plan your LinkedIn marketing around non-daily reactions. LinkedIn is the largest professional database on the planet, with way more business information than any other site on the planet. That is because LinkedIn is home to over 3 million company pages and 300 million professional profiles. The best part is that you'll only need to use the search function to make use of this information, which can save your business a small fortune on data analysis and research. There are over 200 conversations per minute occurring on LinkedIn groups at any given time, which means that whatever your business goal is, you have to leverage its reach through your business presence.